Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a private Telegram videos on PC and Mac. So let's get started. First, here are the tools you'll need. You need a Google Chrome browser, a Temper Monkey Chrome extension, and a user script called Telegram Media Downloader. Here are the step-by-step instruction. Number one, all you need to do is to log into the Telegram web. Just open the Google Chrome and then go to the Telegram and log in your account. Then here, install the Tamper Monkey extension. Just go to the Chrome web store and search for the Tamper Monkey. Then click Add to Chrome and install it. Then after installation, click the puzzle icon top right corner of the screen and pin the Tamper Monkey for the easy access. Here you can also install the Telegram Media Downloader script. Just click the Tamper Monkey icon and click the Find New Scripts. Search for the Telegram Media Downloader and click Install on matching script. Then fully close the Chrome and reopen it to restart your browser. Then download the private video. Just return to the web Telegram org and open the private channel or group containing the video and click on the video media file and you should now see a download option appear. Here's the bonus tip. This method is only works after the media has been fully loaded in your browser and it works on PC and Mac. And you're done. Now you can download a private Telegram videos using your browser. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips tutorials. Thanks for watching.